Build a passive income stream for your business. Building a passive income stream for your business will help your business become more resilient and help you have more options as a business owner. It aligns a new source of income that is more scalable than a traditional brick and mortar business, creating a scenario where you're selling a product that is scalable without becoming resource hungry. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. When we talk of passive income, a lot of business owners think about property investment, bonds, and other investments that require a large financial outlay. But in today's world, the internet offers multiple opportunities for passive income streams that require a much smaller investment. This comes in the form of online courses, blueprints, ebooks, similar digital products that can be delivered without shipping costs. There are many such types of products that can create passive income in your business. However, in order to be truly passive income based, they need to have these properties. Passive income stream, make it scalable. Your product may require some initial investment, but you need to make sure that it can sell at large volumes without requiring continuous investment. Your income stream to be connected to your experience. This means you can start selling it right away. Perhaps there's a part of your audience that is not ready to buy that can use some training, a DIY product like templates or swipe files or course blueprints. Whatever it is, let it serve those people that are not yet buying from you. Look at it as a trust builder. This way you will be creating a repeat clients. It needs to run without your input eventually as the business owner. A great income stream is one that runs without your input. Make sure you align yourself with the business's needs and build a process that makes it successful, but do not involve yourself in the process. As the business owner, you want to build income that allows you to be more resilient and gives you more time to work on the business. The long-term goal is to step away from your business as much as possible whilst retaining your income. Adding a digital product income stream is going to help you achieve this goal faster. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at how to add more resilience through additional income streams for your business. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.